ASCO 2015, Thomas Baldrick here with Dr. Peter Gibbs to discuss the Phase 3 SIRFLOX trial. Thank you, sir, for stopping by.
Welcome.
What can you tell us about the purpose or objective of this study?
Selective internal radiotherapy is being increasingly used for a variety of cancers that have spread to the liver. There's good data for colorectal cancer patients in the chemorefractory setting, where patients have had lots of previous therapy. The intent of this study was to look at SIRT in the first-line setting to see if it could be safely combined with standard first-line combination chemotherapy, and to look at the impact on control of liver metastases and the impact on overall disease control.
What did you find about impact of tumor reduction in the liver?
So the two key findings were that the addition of SIRT to standard systemic therapy increased the response rate within the liver. The more important finding was that we saw prolonged control of liver metastases. So the progression of liver metastases in the control group was in the order of 12 months, and with the addition of SIRT that improved to 20 months, so an 8-month gain in liver progression-free survival.
So how does this compare to current regimens in first-line treatment?
So the important thing is that we're able to combine SIRT with our standard first-line chemotherapy plus biologic, in this case Bevacizumab, and we're able to do that safely. In particular, the role of SIRT here, I think, is in controlling liver metastases, which are a dominant site of disease in colorectal cancer and also a dominant cause of death. So what we're hoping is that improved control of liver metastases will translate ultimately into improved overall survival.
What do you believe the most important clinical implications are?
Important clinical implication is particularly for patients with bulky liver metastases, and particularly those that have liver-only disease. So we're expecting to see the biggest impact in patients with liver-only disease. The study enrolled patients with liver-only disease, but also included some with a small volume of extrahepatic disease. Given this is a liver-directed therapy, the biggest impact is likely to be in the liver-only patient population.
Based on your findings, are there follow-ups planned already?
This is the first of 3 clinical trials looking at the impact of SIRT combined with oxaliplatin-based chemotherapy. So this is the SIRFLOX study. There's another study called Foxfire and a third study called Foxfire Global. Combined, they have a total patient accrual of over 1,100 patients, and we'll be looking at a combined analysis and impact on overall survival in about 2 years' time. That'll be the key data from these clinical trials, the impact on overall survival.
Very good. We thank you for stopping by and sharing this, and come back again when you have some more news, okay?
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.